So, yeah, it was quite a tough day, but we passed this account within just 2 days. So, I will be breaking down how I passed this account, within just two trading days, and we didn't even pass this criteria of minimum trading days criteria. We didn't even pass the minimum trading days criteria, and we still hit the profit target in this fresh account, which we started at March 3, I guess. We took the account in March 2, but it was a Sunday. Markets were closed, but we started trading on Monday, and today was the second trading day, and we just hit our profit target. So I will be breaking down how I basically hit my profit target. By the way, today I just take one trade in gold and it just hit the TP, and we made around $1,300 today itself. And by that single trade only, my profit target was hit for the whole account. So if you didn't watch till now the last video of how I ended up, you know like we had a pretty much very very tough day yesterday on Monday, and we kind of faced a losing streak on first trading session, but still then we closed the day in a pretty positive with $1,300. But yeah, if you didn't watch the video, I will be dropping down the links below, and make sure to watch it. And basically you will be learning, after watching that video you will be learning that how to manage a losing streak, and how to manage your stability, mental stability, while you are in a losing streak, and also how to try with proper risk management to close the day in positive. So these are the things you will be learning in the last video which I recorded. So pretty much the day was, the last day was pretty much important. Today was a very simple day. We just took one trade and it just hit our take profit. And the trade was this one was the trade over here, which was in gold in XAUSD. The risk is reward ratio was 1, but I trailed my SL to here, at most here, after closing of this candle. So I will be explaining how I took this trade, why I took this trade, and what was my entry criteria and exit criterias. So yeah, my risk to reward ratio was pretty much 1, but I don't usually wait for the stop to hit with full quantity. I just, when I'm in drawdown, I just book my partials also when I am in drawdown. So basically, I don't hit, even if I hit my SL, I don't hit it with full quantity open. So yeah, if you didn't watch the video, which was last video of the struggling, the first day of trading this fresh account, you make sure to watch. I highly recommend that video, because that was something, it was, the day was very important for this account to be past the profit target, because without that day, even today after this perfect trade over here, we would have didn't pass the account. So yeah, I will be dropping down the links below in the description box, and make sure to check it out. So also make sure to check it out, the code below in the description box, if you want to purchase any fresh funded account in Funded Next. You can use the code below down in the description box to avail some fresh discounts. So yeah, we will be jumping into the charts. As you can see here, we will be basically jumping into the daily chart. So in daily chart, what we saw actually was gold in a major support. As you can see here, gold was in a major support zone over here, and not only in major support zone, but also, as you can see, on, I guess, on Friday, which was on last week, on 28th last of February, what gold did was it completely respected the previous support, which was a major support. You can consider it as a major support, and also rejected it rejected back with the point where the previous candle was rejected. So you can see here how beautiful the price action is. So yeah, it completely respected the support and the rejection point also. And on Monday, what we got to see is a huge volume green candle, a huge volume bullish candle, which developed this high conviction that yeah, trend is going to be reversed. There are chances of gold making a new all time high after yeah, there are chances that gold also will be you know uh, breaking this resistance over here and will make a new all time high. Who knows? But the thing is, I had a strong conviction developed after this full green candle that next day there are high probabilities that on Tuesday we will be having a bullish day for gold. So my complete conviction, my complete strategy, my complete confirmation bias was developed in gold for bullish for today. So I was completely bullish on gold today because I already had this conviction through this price actions in the daily chart that yeah, there are high probabilities for the price to continue pushing up in the gold for today. So in the 30-minute time frame, what I did was, 30-minute time frame is basically my favorite time frame because most of the confirmations are uh, you know it's working. The most of the confirmations are valid in this time frame, and also this is the lowest time frame a day trader can trade based on high confirmations, high quality of high quality of confirmations. So basically we basically in this 30-minute time frame we are overall bullish. That's it. We are just trending upwards, as you can see. And what we see is, here we got a resistance and we were consolidating here somewhere around here. So it was around pre-New York Asian session, pre-New York, no, excuse me, not pre-New York, pre-London. So during pre-London and Asian session, we kind of consolidated all the way in gold, no major moves. So there was a resistance over here, which I considered, and also on at this point you can see also it respected this resistance. And what we needed was a break and close above this resistance over here, because we were already bullish in gold as per our conviction. So yeah, we were only searching for bullish trades. So it was a perfect trade, by the way. So we got a break and close above this resistance at 12:30, which is during pre-London session. And yeah, during pre-London session, but the trade I took was with completely 100% conviction that yeah, it is going to push up, because the candle break and close above this resistance was a full volume candle. As you can see, this was a full volume candle with a long body, full volume. The size of the body defines the full volume. And also we are in a pre-London session at 12:30 IST, 12:30 12:30 p.m. IST, during pre-London session. So yeah, executed the trade without any hesitation with one risk is reward ratio. So it's kind of if you lose $1, then there are chances. If you win, you make $1. If you lose $1. So it's not kind of that, because when I go into drawdown, I start booking partials so that I can lose less what I was willing to lose. So yeah, it's kind of one, but for me it's not one. It shows it is a one, but yeah, that's the thing. But the thing is, after this candle closing over here, this 13, so at 1 p.m. we got this candle closing, and I just trailed my SL over here, which makes down to 2.5, which is absolutely a good risk is to reward ratio if we see. So yeah, we trailed our SL, but why did I place my TP over here? Because there is a resistance over here, as you can see. If you consider this, there is also a resistance over here, and there is also a resistance over here. because there is a green candle, then okay, you can identify the resistances. So yeah, so I started booking partials over here, somewhere around here, and also I closed my full quantity over here. So yeah, simple trade, very very simple trade, very excellent trade breakdown. This is the one of the most perfect trades that I have ever took in my entire trading career. Everything was perfect about this trade. The entry, the exit, the analysis, the risk management, everything about this trade was perfect. So yeah, we are happy with this trade actually. But the thing is, sometimes, even if sometimes in the markets, even if everything is correct, you still get stopped out. But that's okay, no problem. In the end, that's a good loss. So yeah, this is the complete trading history, as you can see here. For complete transparency purposes, this is the complete trading history. So we made around, I would say, so yeah, this is the complete trading history. You can calculate it. I'm not adding it anymore. So we passed this account only within 2 days. So tomorrow what we will be doing is we will be just opening a micro quantity, and it will be considered as a trading day. So we will be also passing this minimum trading criteria also. So yeah, that's not a big issue. But the main thing is we you know pass the profit target. So yeah, this account is done. So in the next video, from the next session, I think from the next week, I would like to say, I will be posting videos with new fresh accounts. And yeah, I will be breaking down those accounts. So for the week we are done, in the within 2 days, within the first 2 days only, we are done with our whole week's worth of trading. And yeah, I will be journaling more, I will be working down on my mistakes more, and we will be coming up with a fresh account with, yeah, with a stronger risk management protocols, and also with a stronger psychology. So this was all for the video today. Make sure to you know use the code below in the description box if you buy some funded account using in funded next. To avail some discount, use the code below in the description box. And yeah, this is Anshuman Rao signing off. Peace out.